What's up guys? I hope you're doing well. Here Remy from Prod Unboxing channel. Today we're gonna do an overview about JBL E45BT, which was released in 2017. But for those who didn't decided yet about buying Bluetooth headphone this year, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. Okay then. Let's go ahead and unbox JBL E45BT. Probably you are wondering which color I chose. Obviously I went with the black color as it looked more classic. So to get in JBL's design, the first thing you would realize about these headphones that they are similar to other JBL E series headphones. As you can see, the JBL logo is on each ear cup. Also, this model features a textile coated headband which makes them really comfortable when you wear them on. And for a comfortable fit, the ear cups can easily be adjusted into 5 levels. They can also be folded inwards, which I like most about these headphones, so they don't take too much space. Alright, let us start with the accessories. Here you got the start guide, which we don't need it at this moment, so I will place it aside. The orange micro USB cable is for charging, and the black ones are in case you need to use your headphones in wired mode. This model has a leather material on its ear cups, which makes them extremely comfortable. Additionally, your left and right are marked inside the ear cups. Your main controls in this model are on the right side. So to turn the headphone, slide the button to the end and it will be in pairing mode. If it shows a white color, it means the pairing is in progress. And when it shows a blue color, it means your device is already connected. Next to the on-off button, you have the volume control, where it can be adjusted by using the plus and minus button to decrease or increase the volume. And on the left hand side you can find the micro USB port for charging your headphones. I will insert the cable to the micro USB port so it will be ready for charging. The battery in this model can last for 16 hours, which makes them really special. Nowadays you can get these headphones for less than $100. The main advantage with these headphones are their great sound, good battery life and decent noise cancellation. Thank you guys for stopping by, and if you like this video, please support this channel, give it 2 thumbs up, hit subscribe and see you next week.